Hello guys, you're welcome back to my Adobe Premiere Pro Masterclass. If you're just joining us, you're welcome. My name is King. Today we're going to be talking about how to import and use LUTs to color grade and color correct in Adobe Premiere Pro. Now LUTs, also known as lookup tables, is a tool that lets filmmakers, editors and colorists save particular color grades or color corrections that they can use to edit in their videos. So to do this guys, I'm going to go ahead and import a video. And to work with our LUTs, first of all, you're going to want to move over to your color panel or your color tab over here. I'm not in an editing or assembly. Now, if you come over to your basic correction, you will notice that we have an input section over here with an array of LUTs that you can select from. So we have two sections in the color tab where you can import your LUTs into. It's either you put them in your basic correction under the input LUT, or you put them under the creative section where you can see the look, and then you can use the LUTs you want over here. For example, if you see this video here, you can select these arrows here and then you will see changes to LUTs that you can automatically select into your videos. Another example would be for you to select over here, this section here, and then you can select any of these LUTs over here. But now I'm going to be showing you how to import LUTs. Now there are various extensions that you need to look out for when installing your LUTs into your system. You can download LUTs from Motion Array, Envato Elements. There are so many platforms out there where you can get free LUTs. I have a folder here where I've extracted my LUTs. You will notice two different extensions here. We have the .look and we have the .cube. Now I have extracted these 70 LUTs from this folder over here and I have them arrayed over here. So I have the .cube over here and the .look over here. This .cube over here is what I can import and install into my basic correction section over here, while the .look over here is what I can import into my look section over here. It's important you know this because this gave me a difficult time in time past. I was trying to import .look into the basic correction segment and it just wouldn't work for me. So once you know this, once you figure this out, it will save you a lot of stress. Now what you want to do first of all is to go to your local disk. Inside your local disk, you select your program files. In your program files, you go into the segment where you have the Adobe folder, your Adobe collection. Now, if you want to install it in Premiere Pro, you go into your Premiere Pro CC. I'm working with Premiere Pro CC 2019. I select my Premiere Pro CC 2019. Then I'll scroll down to Lumetri. Okay, go down to Lumetri over here and go down to my LUTs. Now, you'll notice that we have looks, we have LUTs. Now, under my LUT section here, we have the creative and we have the technical section over here. Now, if I impute my .cube over here, you will notice that the extensions that work over here are .cube. You can see this .look over here. I put this, but it's not reflecting in Premiere Pro. So you want to install only .cube in this section of basic correcting. Now, what I'm going to do is go back to this other folder where I have my LUTs over here that I have extracted. You will notice that for every LUT, I'm giving two extensions. I'm giving the .look and the .cube. That means what they are giving to me is they are giving me the one for basic correction and they are giving me the one for color grading. So I will select a couple of them. Let me do this. I'll hit on Control and select a couple of the .cube. I already have this installed, so I'll just select all that has the .cube. So I'll select this number 2 film, unselect this, unselect this. Okay, select this, select this. I'm going to select all the extensions that has the .cube on them. Right click and hit on copy. Then I'll move over to my control panel over here where I have my technical over here and paste. Yes, continue, grant permission. Do this for all. Automatically, I've imported this into my basic correction section. So I'll go back. Then I'll move to the other folder where I have my LUTs and select this. Now I'm going to select the .look and import my color grades. So I'm going to hit on this. Okay, I already have this installed in Premiere Pro, so I'm going to hit on this, Control, select all the dot looks, right click, copy them, move back to my other folder, go back to Lumetri, guys. Just above Lumetri, you can see these looks. Now select these looks, select this legacy over here, and then you will see that everything here is the look extension. So inside this look extension is where you are going to paste your lot that has the .look extension. So it's important that you take note of the extension that you are giving. Some lots will come with the .look extension, while some will come with the .cube. So if you go to Lumetri, you'll find looks over here, you'll find lots over here. Inside lots, you'll find the technical, that's where you'll find your .cube. If you go back, you can find the creative, but mostly inside the creative, you're going to find a lot of other extensions. Like I find a lot of .itx over here. So I imported .looks here, but I'm not sure they are going to work. This is just me trying them out, but I'm sure that putting them in the other section, the .looks, make them work perfectly. So if I come back now to Premiere Pro, what you need to do is to restart your software, your Premiere Pro software, and then everything will automatically appear in Premiere Pro. I'm just going to do that and get back to you with you guys. Alright guys, so if I open this now, you will notice that LUTs that I installed have automatically appeared here in my creative section, in my basic correction section. Automatically, I think I had about 5 or 6 over here. Now I've added like 7 or 8 over here. And basically guys, that's how to add LUTs into your creative section, and that's how to also add into your basic correction. If you come over here, you'll see a lot more that I've also added into my basic correction section over here. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to apply these LUTs. It's possible for you to apply lots from just your basic correction segment if what you want to do is to correct your videos. But if what you want to do is to color grade, you might want to add both the basic correction and the creative to give your video a pop-up look. For example, let me show you what I mean. Now, because I want to do this and I don't want to really mess with this video, I'm going to place my lots on an adjustment layer. So I'll just go ahead and select this and create an adjustment layer and place the lots over the adjustment layers. Drag this above, expand it. I select this. Now, let me go ahead and import a lot. So this is my favorite basic correction lot. So you can see automatically after inputting this lot, you can see what happened here. Let me take this out so you can see it clearly. Now if I off this, you can see what it looked like initially. Just by adding that lot, you can see the upgrade that has appeared on that video. You can also add a creative to it. You can see the upgrade automatically. It almost looks like I don't need to touch this video. Look at what it looked like before. You can see the difference. Look at what it looked like before. Look at what it looked like after adding a basic color correction. Look at what it looked like after adding a color grade. You can see the difference. You can see the difference. You can see the difference. Let me pause that. You can see the difference. If I off them, if I take them all out, you can see the difference. So basically, guys, this is the fastest way of editing, of color grading and color correcting your video in Premiere Pro. You can also go ahead and increase or reduce the saturation if there's something you don't really like. For example, you can come down to your white balance over here, go down to saturation, decide to increase the saturation. You can decide to reduce the saturation as you wish. You can go down to the tone, exposure. You can decide to increase or reduce the exposure, but I don't want to mess with this. This looks very fine to me. This is the fastest way of color grading your video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Alright guys, I hope you found this video very useful. Thank you guys for watching this video today, and kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel hit the thumbs up button, and don't forget to drop your feedbacks in the comment section. I'll be sure to respond to every single one of them. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to color grade and color correct your videos in Premiere Pro without the use of LUTs.